candidate or are you not? Then who are you then?
We are all the writ petitioners who have challenged it, my lord. We could not, my lord, be selected because of this, my lord, all illegal procedure. That's why
Then
these two, my lord,
the order says that all untainted candidates and those disabled candidates would be, what more do you want?
the difficulty is now, by virtue of this notification, they have added the new vacancy.
That we are not going to go into.
And, my
We
lord,
never said that the rules will stand frozen though.
my lord, kindly see, my lord, this court directed that they will not get any advantage of this.
We did not say turn back the clock and start from there.
Oh, your lordship had said that the
Only granted age relaxation to particular categories. I think the disabled candidates.
MA application, lordship was categorical that no advantage would be given to them. Now they, by virtue of amendment of rules, 10 marks is given benefit to
No,
them.
no, we are not going to say that.
And this-
Where have we said that we have frozen the rules or
Yes,
the
yes.
Come to the conclusion, page 406.
Without judgment, which is at pilot,
Come to the operative portion, the
Yes.
conclusion.
yes, operative portion of my lord.
Where have we said anything that helps you?
Page 46, kindly come to my lord.
Para 46.
The last question relates to the relief and whether it requires any modification. We find no valid ground or reason to interfere with the direction of the High Court that the services of tainted candidates who were appointed must be terminated, and they should be required to refund any salaries, payments received. Since their appointments were the result of fraud, these amounts to cheating. Therefore, we see no justification to alter the direction. Then second, for candidates not specifically found to be tainted, the entire selection process has been rightly declared null and void due to the egregious violation of illegalities which violated Article 14 and 16. As such, the appointments of these candidates are cancelled. However, candidates who are already employed need not be asked to refund or restitute the payments made to them. However, their services will be terminated. Furthermore, no candidate can be appointed once the entire examination process and the results have been declared void. Then
Para 47 may not be relevant. for you.
11. And we come to Lord 48 and 49.
Hmm.
49 is very important. The disabled candidates mentioned in the previous paragraph will be allowed to participate in the fresh selection process if required with age relaxation and other concessions. Similarly, other candidates like us,
But not specifically tainted.
but not specifically tainted, will also be eligible to participate with appropriate
Appropriate
age
age.
relaxation. In our opinion, such a direction would be fair and just. Then Lord, they filed an application, MA application.
Hmm.
And this court was kind enough to pass an order in the MA application. Kindly turn to
Those who are working would continue to work till
Yes, that
the end of the year.
And then again, kindly come to me, Lord, the order passed by this court.
Which order?
That at page 426. The state government, the applicant
26.
426.
26. Give me the second. Yes.
But an advertisement for fresh recruitment to the aforesaid posts.
Hmm.
Therefore, the Supreme Court was very categorical. There should advertisement for the posts which are declared to be nullity by the judgment. Therefore, they can alter it. Shall be published before 31st May. Then, my lord, the entire recruitment process. Then, kindly, my lord, skip over. We clarify after paragraph 4.
Hmm.
This order shall not be read as a conferring any special right or advantage on the aforesaid teachers insofar as the fresh recruitment process is concerned. Now, by of a sub-rule, sub-legislation rule, they have really tampered with this order. Kindly
Where have we said anything about what kind of rules should be applied? We said fresh recruitment process.
recruitment, Lord,
Obviously, the Service Commission is entitled, the authorities concerned are entitled to
and excuse you,
have a higher standard if they choose to.
But-
How can you say, no, the standard should remain static for all times to come?
not at all bothered about the standard. We are all
This is, if
They
they've
cannot-
post a new condition, that's obviously to see that they have better standards.
not get the advantage of 10 marks additional.
No. We have not said anything on this.
My lord was kind enough to say that they will not get the advantage of that. Now,
Who would not take advantage?
the teachers will not, whose services were terminated.
That the Service Commission should not take advantage.
No.
This order shall not be read as conferring on the aforesaid teachers.
So,
Therefore, how are you twisting it around to apply it to the?
allow me. By making rules, they are giving advantage to those teachers.
No. How are they giving advantage?
Just
How will you know how they will fare in the exam?
these additional 10 marks for teaching experience, which was never there. Kindly turn to page
We are not inclined to entertain this.
Kindly,
I think this process, I think, needs to go on. This amount of litigation which is going on,
the court, if the
this
court
will
directs-
go on endlessly.
Just
There's no point of-
1 second. The court directs that there should not be advantage to the teachers. Now, that if the rule says,
They will not take advantage. We never said don't give advantage to the teachers. We said the teachers will not take any advantage.
no, they will not get advantage, but they are getting advantage. By rules, kindly see, by rules, they say now the additional 10 marks, which
Sorry.
will be kindly turned to 46 marks.
We are not going to. do-
Kindly have a look at it. Otherwise,
Sorry, council.
this will, kindly will not have, kindly,
If they do have teaching experience, that is good, is it not?
this experience, the appointments which.
Whether you like it or not, they do have teaching
No,
experience.
Milord. So if the appointments are declared void,
And also they have teachers.
if the appointments are declared void, how?
We allowed them to continue to teach.
No. I'm not clear. That if the teachers, Milord, who doesn't have the valid appointment, would they get the benefit of that?
Do not know how the rule will be interpreted. This
The
will-
rule is very clear.
You may have, no, we are not going to preempt the exercise by now,
No, Lord.
considering what that rule means.
Not asking that the school service.
At this stage, we are not going to interfere.
Kindly look at it,
Not at this stage, please.
446.
So I'm sure you'll go back to the High Court once again, so we'll have
No, done.
some occasion to look at it once again.
Trouble to see at least one page.
Sorry, council.
That this will give advantage to the tainted teachers.
How will the tainted teachers are not even eligible to apply.
That these parts
Tainted teachers are out.
have been without the
They
negative.
are out.
Now
then-
the teachers without who are
Who
appointed.
are untainted, if they do get the benefit of teaching experience, how are you?
But the question is, Lord, if the appointments are declared to be void, would not that experience be counted? That's a valid question.
We said that their appointments cannot stand because the entire process is
Yes.
wiped up. Not that they are liable or responsible for it.
No. Again, Lord, this is no question of liability.
Sorry.
If they
We
get
find no good ground and reason to interfere with the impugned judgment, especially when accordingly dismissed.
discrimination,
Order is also dictated now. Sorry. Pass overs.
you can say.
Item 1. Where were you?